Back from hospital after COVID recovery, Amitabh Bachchan is ready to start shooting for the upcoming season of popular quiz show Kaun Banega Crorepati. The iconic actor took to his blog to reveal that he is preparing to resume shoot for the TV show, saying maximum safety precautions will be taken. Lots of prep and presentation for the starting of KBC promo shoots and the KBC itself. Detailed protocol of how it's all going to be done with maximum safety precautions, he wrote, adding, life shall never be the same again. Perhaps or how we conduct ourselves in these times of pandemic, he wrote. Earlier this year in May, Big B had started shooting for the upcoming season of the popular quiz show amid the COVID-19 lockdown and had dismissed those who asked if it was safe to do so. So yes, I worked, got a problem with that. Keep it to yourself then. Damn, if you pour it out here in this locked in condition, sufficient precautions as much that could be taken was taken, and what had been scheduled for 2 days was completed in 1 day starting 6 p.m, ending a short while now, wrote Big B in his blog in May. Bollywood actress Shilpa Shetty welcomed Lord Ganesha at her residence in Mumbai. The actress was seen wearing ethnic pink and yellow ensemble. She was also seen wearing a mask and hand gloves due to the safety precautions. On the film front, Shilpa is all set to make her comeback to acting with Nikamma and Hangama 2. Superstar Akshay Kumar gave the first clap to commence shooting of his upcoming film Bell Bottom in the UK with due precautionary measures in place amid the COVID pandemic. Lights, camera, mask on and action. Akshay is seen announcing in a video he posted on his verified Instagram page. He holds the clapperboard and put on a mask even as he says the line. Following all the new norms and filming on for Bell Bottom, it is difficult time but work has to go on. Need your love and luck, he captioned the video clip. The actor along with his family flew to the UK a few days ago for the shoot of the film, directed by Ranjit M. Tiwari. Bell Bottom also stars Vani Kapoor, Huma Qureshi and Lara Datta. Actress Ankita Lokhande has shared a thoughtful post on desirable qualities in life. Her post is all about being true to yourself. She shared her thoughts with a black and white picture of her that she posted on Instagram. Do you want to know what's desirable? Efforts, honesty, presence, keeping promises, deep connection, deep conversations, and being truthful to yourself, Ankita mentioned along with a heart emoticon. Sushant Singh Rajput's ex-girlfriend Ankita has been quite vocal in supporting a CBI probe into the late actor's death right from the start. Recently, after the Supreme Court transferred the case to CBI, she had posted, "Justice is the truth in action, truth wins." Before venturing into Bollywood, Sushant had shot to fame as a television actor with Ekta Kapoor daily soap Pavitra Rishta, which also starred Ankita. The two actors dated almost for 6 years before parting ways. Actor Vicky Kaushal was recently snapped at T-Series office. The actor was wearing blue denim and sweatshirt. Vicky completed the look with the cool cap. On the work front, Vicky will next be seen in Takht and Shujit Sarkar's Sardar Udham Singh. Kushal Zaveri, one of the directors of popular daily soap Pavitra Rishta, which made Sushant Singh Rajput a household name, has shared a throwback picture on Instagram. The picture features the late actor with his ex-girlfriend actress Ankita Lokhande and close friend Mahesh Shetty, besides Zaveri. In the photograph, Sushant makes a goofy expression sticking out his tongue while everyone else smiles at the camera. Zaveri captioned the image, "Nostalgia," along with a heart emoji. Pavitra Rishta was Sushant's second outing as an actor, and he shot to fame playing Manav Deshmukh on the show before Bollywood stardom beckoned. On Thursday, the CBI took over investigation into the death of Sushant after a Supreme Court nod the day before. A team of the Central Probe Agency is in Mumbai investigating the death of the actor, who was found dead in his residence on June 14. The CBI has registered a case against Sushant's girlfriend, actress Riya Chakravarti, her father Indrajit, mother Sandhya, brother Shovik, Sushant's ex-manager Shruti Modi, Modi and flatmate Samuel Miranda, and unknown persons on the basis of a complaint filed by the late actor's father KK Singh with the Bihar police on July 25th. It has taken over a decade for Kangana Ranaut to join social media, and the actress opened up on Friday on why she has finally taken the step. She says people have taken advantage of her absence from the platform in the past. Kangana, who tweets from the verified handle named Kangana Team, has shared a video on the microblogging site where she talks of the power of social media.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, मुझे फिल्मों में काम करते हुए करीब 15 साल हो गए हैं और इन 15 सालों में ऐसे बहुत सारे मौके आए हैं जब मुझ पे बहुत प्रेशर रहा है कि मैं सोशल मीडिया ज्वाइन करूं। एजेंसी जानते हैं कि ब्रांड्स ये जानते हैं कि अक्सर ऐसे मौके आए जब करोड़ों की डील्स जहां पे सिर्फ एक ही क्लॉज था कि मुझे सोशल मीडिया पे आना पड़ेगा, लेकिन मैंने जाने दी है। जगह मैं चुड़ैल हूं और मेरे पैर उल्टे हैं, इस बात का फायदा उठाया कि मैं सोशल मीडिया पे नहीं हूं, मगर फिर भी मैंने कभी सोशल मीडिया पे मैं आई नहीं, क्योंकि मुझे कभी अपने ऑडियंस से वो दूरी महसूस नहीं हुई और मुझे लगा कि अगर मुझे कुछ कहना है तो मैं रूडिमेंट्री वे में क्यों कहूं। मैं फिल्मों के जरिए मैंने वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट के बारे में इतना कुछ कहा, मैंने नेशनलिज्म के बारे में इतना कुछ कहा, तो मैं आर्टिस्टिक तरीके से कहूंगी। मैं डायरेक्टली ऐसी रूडिमेंट्री वे में क्यों कहूं, मैं तो आर्टिस्ट हूं। तो मेरा हमेशा ये एक इसके बारे में नजरिया रहा है। मगर दोस्तों, इस साल जो मैंने देखा है, मैंने पहली बार सोशल मीडिया की पावर देखी है और मैंने देखा है कि कैसे सारा विश्व एक साथ आके हम सब सुशांत के लिए हम लोगों ने जिस तरह से फाइट किया और उसमें सफलता पाई है, इससे मुझे बहुत उम्मीदें हो गई है। मुझे बहुत आशाएं हैं कि हम सब मिलके इस तरह से जो भी हम न्यू इंडिया के लिए रिफॉर्म्स चाहते हैं उसके लिए आवाज उठा सकते हैं। और इसलिए इस महीने मैंने सोशल मीडिया पे फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम आई हैव कम ऑन ट्विटर एंड आई एम सो एक्साइटेड एंड मुझे आपका सहयोग चाहिए एंड आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दिस जर्नी, जहां पे इतने सारे अमेजिंग लोग हैं और उनको जानने का मौका मिल रहा है और एक नए रिश्तों की शुरुआत हो रही है। तो बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद फॉर दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड I look forward to.
On Thursday, Kangana recently commented on the alleged past relationship between late Bollywood actor Sushant Singh Rajput and his Kedarnath co-star Sara Ali Khan on her Twitter handle. The news that Kangana talked of pertains to Sushant's friend Samuel, who posted on his verified Instagram account about the alleged relationship between Sushant and Sara earlier on Thursday.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.